guys, this is Luke Lindsay here. Welcome back to another video, and we're doing fireworks. Thank God I got one. Yep. So we're doing fireworks.
Yeah.
Really. Don't do that at home because it's really dangerous. Here it goes. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay.
What? Well, no, it just rained, so it's perfect.
Okay. You guys ready for another one? Why?
Because, honey, the grass is wet. Right.
Well, it's not gonna do anything.
Come on, Mom.
Be 4th of July spirit.
Wait, you don't?
You do all of them, Mom. It's the 4th of July,
No,
and you do all of them. You do all of them.
No, they're
Yes, you do. You do all the fireworks. Look at that guy with the big fireworks. Oh God, there's a plane. Okay, here's a close-up of the plane. It's flashing the lights. There's the plane, just checking it out. Make sure anything doesn't blow up the plane. So, yep, that's close-up of the plane. There we go. Okay. There's nothing wrong with the grass. What the fudge? Okay. So here goes the second firework. Okay. They might work. Oh!
It's just burnt out. Don't ever go near it.
He doesn't.
It's dead? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a dud.
Chris, are you sure? Don't go near it.
You guys ready? Alright. This is firework 3. No, 2. 2 I meant. It's firework 2. Oh, there's one. Up, here it goes. Oh! Oh, yeah, boy! That's a big one. A big one. Like, it hurt, like, the big boom, like, it's really.
Huh? What?
Yeah, this is what hit my face. Oh, thanks. Wow. Yeah,
Oh, wow. Okay. So,
go ahead, Dad.
here goes firework 3. Firework 3. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. Woo! Woohoo! That's a good one. Woo!
Balloon or a lantern or something going on.
Here, guys. I'll be in the next video.